Hi everyone. Thank you for watching the StructPro video tutorial. In today's session, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of registering the software. Let's get started. First, let's open Excel. Then, navigate to the Excel menu and click on the StructPro button to access the StructPro menu. Then from the StructPro menu, search and click on the Setting button. Once the Setting window is opened, click on the Request License button. A request license form will open in your standard internet browser, allowing you to fill in your license request. Next, begin the request by filling in your name, work email address, your company name, and your company address. All of this information is required. After filling in your information, you can then select the type of license you are requesting. If it is the first time you are installing the software, you can request a 30-day trial license. If you have already purchased the software, you can request the purchase license. If you want to find more information about how to purchase the license, please visit our website at structprollc.com/purchase. Next, you continue to fill out the form by entering your StructPro registration code. To find your StructPro registration code, go back to the Settings window, then copy the code from the Reg Code text box. Afterward, return to the form and paste the code. Next, if you have already made payment to purchase the software, please provide us with the date of your most recent payment so that we can verify it. If you have only requested a trial license, there is no need to fill in this date. Finally, please review all of your information once again. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Submit button to submit the form. Once you submit the form, we will review your request and email you the requested license as soon as we can. After receiving our email, please open it and copy the license we provided. Then, paste the license into the designated box in the registration window. Finally, click the Register button to complete the registration process. This concludes the video tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel to watch more video tutorials of our software in the future. Thank you for watching.